Hello everyone, my name is Adam Twilight, this is Hexmania, and welcome back to Pokemon Mystery Dungeon. So, that was a shift. Anyways, last time we got our butts kicked, so let's try to avoid that this time. I at least have my 48 gravel rocks still good. I'm still gonna sell those escape orb because it's kinda pointless to have. Okay. No! No, this sucks. I'll take the Oran Berry. I was hoping for any Reviver Seeds. But apparently not. Okay. Thank you, Persian. Okay. Now, let's get out of here. Okay, through Mount Thunder we go. Alright. Pokey, give me money. Yes. Link box. Oh, I've got an idea. Okay, so it's R to shift them around. Okay, so my idea is to link those together. Aha! This way my embers can be more powerful. Ow! Ah, that was glorious. Oh my god. Oh yes. Ho 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 ho. I am the power. Oh. Gummy. And I will eat that. Oh, non-trader that sounds like it's a good one, right? Yes. I am not a traitor. I shall not hurt you, Hex. Oh, alright. Oh my god, I am a genius. Ow. Okay. Stairs, where are you? Fuck. Now let's run. I guess we can't run. forget what a gold ribbon is. Supposedly an electric cannon. Oh, do you perhaps? Oh, you do have it. What is this? Ooh, 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 it is money. Okay, so hopefully I can keep a hold on to it this time. Okay, so that's an electric sleeping right there. Leave the buddy alone. I still want to see what's in that room though. Nothing. Okay. I'm just glad we did it without waking him up. Ooh, more money. $662. Hell yeah. More rocks. Give me rock. Haha. Defeated with only rocks. Fuck! I have a feeling I should save that. Wait. Heck, save me, please. Please help me. Thank you. There's the stairs. Oh. There we go. Easy. Yeah, good idea to have that, just in case there are Nidorino here. Alright. There we go. Easy. Level 14, yes. So it's weird that Hex is... I missed leveling up with Hex. Ah, fuck. Okay. Ah, that was beautiful. That was pretty pointless of me to do, but whatever. Okay. Ignore the Gligar. We do not want to touch him. And I do not have any food. Okay. Oh. I know. You are going to love this, me. See? 75 plus IQ goes up significantly. You are the smart bird. Ah, fuck. Okay. Fuck. Well, there's the stairs. Okay, I need any more of the move. 4 Pokey, okay. Okay, game. Thanks for the meager amount of Pokey. Okay, hopefully this is the last floor. I'm at least hoping this is the last floor. If not, I'm going to scream. Oh. Well, probably not gonna get that rock back. Apparently I did get my rock back, okay. You can do some shit, right? Apparently not. Okay. Alright. Ooh, another gummy. Please handle things. Never mind. Okay, you still have quick attacks at least. Take that. Okay. Now to heal. Okay, so it's probably this way. There it is, the stairs. Woo! Okay, okay, that's good. Yeah, I would like to save. Oh, that took a bit. I'll continue next time. See you later. Bye.